I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the Google TV box and connecting it to your TV's HDMI port. This gives the box full 4K bandwidth. Once plugged in, insert the remote batteries and follow the pairing prompt on screen so you can control navigation. Next, connect to your Wi-Fi network. Use 5 GHz for lower latency. Sign into your Google account to import apps, preferences, and subscriptions. This streamlines recommendations and lets you access Play Store content immediately. You should now go to the Play Store and install the streaming apps you use most. Downloading them first reduces later friction. Once installed, configure display settings. Pick 4K or 1080p depending on your TV and enable HDR or Dolby Vision if both devices support it, because that improves contrast and color. Make sure to enable auto-update for apps so they stay current, and set your voice assistant and privacy options. This optimizes searches and keeps recommendations. Finish by signing into each streaming service and testing playback at the highest resolution to confirm audio pass-through, or ARC/eARC works with your sound system. Organize apps into favorite rows and set ambient mode and power behavior to save energy. If something breaks, reboot the box first. This clears most glitches. If that fails, swap the HDMI cable and check your Wi-Fi. Aim for over 25 Mbps for reliable 4K. If problems persist, factory reset as a last resort to restore clean software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.